We're here today going to put some windows in for one of our 3-season rooms, and we have about 8.5 foot walls here. So we have 3-season windows that slide going up to about 7.5 feet, and then some fixed panels going in above that. They're already fully screened in, and we're just sliding the windows in today. So on these windows, the springs go to the left typically into our deep track. There's a deeper and a more shallow track. We usually put the deep on the left. So the first window goes all the way to the back of those tracks, springs in there, and then what you can do is just push that window to the left and it'll load all the way again to the back track, get it slid in there. That'll slide all the way up and down. This first window is going to be the one that goes to the top all the way, and so I'll put it there for now and then load the rest of the windows in here. You can't put them in separately like this. They do have to be overlapped or else they won't work together. So you overlap them and put them in one at a time into their progressive tracks. Last one sits all the way towards the inner face. So those all will slide together. They can be left all the way up, or you can bring them from the top down. They'll all slide down. So you get about 75% open flow of air here.